today's video, I wanted to quickly go over and share a new product I'll be launching to my shop very soon. And it's these sewing patterns that you'll be able to download and export onto your cutting machine. And the machine will draw the whole pattern out and then cut it out for you. And I wanted to show you how easy it is to draw out the pattern and cut it out directly on the Brother ScanNCut machine. Please keep in mind that the patterns that I'll be launching for right now will be for the Brother machines, and the reason behind it is because I basically do all of the work for you when designing these files. So I tell the machine where you need to draw and where it needs to be cut, and I wanted to quickly make a video showing you again how easy it is on this machine. So let's go ahead and get started. In this video, we're going to be cutting out the dragon's wings pattern, and this one has 2 files. So we're going to start with part 1, and the first thing we need to do is change a couple things in the settings. The first one is the cutting area. Right now, everything's shaded in gray. So let's go to settings, cut area, and we need to go from a 12 by 12 mat to a 12 by 24. Press OK. And now everything is showing correctly, and we can press OK. The next step is verifying that the pattern is scaled correctly. So you want to go to the left corner, and you have this square highlighted. You want to verify that it measures 1 inch by 1 inch, which it does, so we're good to go. You would do this to every single file that's included in the download. You just want to verify again that it's the correct proportion, because you don't want it to be distorted in any way, because again, it's a sewing pattern, all the pieces need to match, and you don't want to cut out something in a different scale than it needs to be. And so again, always verify that square in the corner. So we're good to go, and we can press OK, and we're ready to draw first. So we're going to select the drawing button, and it's going to give me only the areas that need to be drawn first. And this file is going to take 10 minutes to draw out. And then after that is done, we're going to go to cut, and that is 2 minutes, and you see how now it's only showing the cut lines. Like I said, I basically did all of the work for you, so all you have to do is download, export onto your machine, press draw, cut, and that's it. Let the machine do the rest of the work. This is why I'm still kind of debating whether I want to offer a different cutting format, just because this is so easy. Yeah, let's go ahead. Like I said, we're drawing first the pattern. And let me get my pen holder. I'm going to be using this one. They do sell the universal one where you can use a regular pen, but I'm just going to use the one with the mini pens. I'm going to be using, like I said, the mini pens that they sell on the Brothers website. And the pen holder, you just need to pop this open, drop that right in, and then close this, and then add it onto the machine. And we're ready to go. So I already have the pen, and then it's already on the drawing setting, and we can start. When it comes to the blade settings, that will depend on the paper that you're using. I will link mine down below, and for mine, we're going to be on a 3. So we're going to pop that in, and I already have everything on the cut, so ready to start. I realized that my mat is not that sticky for this paper. I need to add more adhesive to it later on, but here it is. Just sewing pattern, look at that. Also, I think because my paper came rolled up, it's not helping that it's kind of curved. I just realized that we should have ironed the paper a little bit, because the way that it got delivered was rolled up, and so that's why it was a little bit curved, and it was popping out once the machine started cutting it out. Yeah, just give it a nice press, before adding it to the mat. Let's start on the second file, so we're going to press OK. And again, we want to verify the square in the left top corner that it measures 1 by 1, so we're good to go. And we can start with drawing the pattern first. After I'm done recording this video, I'll go ahead and do some online shopping and try to find pre-cut paper that's 12 by 24 or paper that can be delivered without being rolled up, because that's affecting my paper right now and lifting it up. So yeah, obviously we don't want that when cutting. I'm adding the pen holder back in because we're gonna be drawing first before we cut. Go ahead and start, and it's gonna be 4 minutes of drawing. So I already have it on cut, so ready to start. Ironing the paper did help a little bit, but maybe I need to make my mat a little bit more sticky than it is right now. Pretty much it, you guys. We are done. This is how quick and easy it was for me to download the file and export it onto the machine, and for the machine to do all of it. Now we have all of our pattern pieces cut out, ready to pin onto our fabric. So yeah, I hope you guys look forward to all of the new files I'll be adding to the shop, and yeah, stay tuned. And oh, I'll keep you guys posted on the pattern paper if I end up staying with this brand or if I end up changing to a different one. Maybe I just need to make my mat a little bit more sticky so it can hold this paper down. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.